Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a killer 1969 AMC AMX. Beautiful car, guys. I actually bought this from a gentleman out of Alabama. But it's kind of funny, it's a small world. This was actually a buddy of mine's car out of Tennessee. Car was restored about 8 years ago. Beautifully done, factory color combination. Pompeii, I think it's called Pompeii. Pompeii yellow with the black stripes. And it's also got the factory black vinyl interior. Pretty car, 390 4-speed go-pack car. Really just a good car, man. Good solid straight body. Pretty paint. I like the color combo. Of course, I love the red lines. It's got the Firestone bias ply red lines on it with the factory rally wheels. Neat car. Again, good solid straight body. Runs and drives excellent. Factory 390 4-speed car. This is where, when I look at these cars, a lot of them fall short. You can see the chrome and stainless and trim's nice. There's a couple little touch-up marks on it, but a lot of these cars I look at, man, the trim and stuff falls short. You can nitpick this a little, but very, very nice. These are good looking cars, fun cars to go bang the gears in. Wipers work, they are working a little slow, but who knows the last time they've ever been used, you know? Most people don't take these things out in the rain and drive them. Glass is nice. That rear glass is really nice. Can nitpick the bezels a little bit. Nice and straight down the sides. It's not a real yellow. It's kind of a different color. I don't really know how to describe it. Hopefully it kind of pops out in the video. It's I don't really, an off yellow. Looks good. I like the red lines up against it, I'll tell you that. Little ding that's been touched up there. Really good looking car. The thing I like about these, you just don't see a lot of them, you know. Go to car shows and you just don't see these cars. Again, factory 390 car, detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Power steering, power front disc brakes, got the stock chrome air cleaner and valve covers, 4-barrel. It's got the stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Really detailed under the hood, nice. Marking the paint there. Yeah, I really like this car. Got a good look to it, like I say, really hits the road nice. Got a bunch of new stuff coming, guys. I bought quite a few cars this weekend, had a good weekend. Can honestly say I know people don't like gifts. We've actually already sold two of the 6 I bought at one of the shows, so one might have set a record. I don't know if I owned it 15 minutes and sold it. Looks like an original mirror. Can nitpick it a little bit. Shoot, sorry. Same thing with the door handle. There's your original door tag. You can see the doors are nice and clean. Sill plates are nice. Bucket seats. It's got the Hurst shifter in it. Tilt wheel, tilt column. Don't see that a lot. Headliner's nice. Gauges are nice and clean. 77,000 original miles. Factory tach car. Looks like factory AM radio. It's dual exhaust, stock rear end, no big monster gear or anything. That's pretty cool, man. It's got the Space Saver inflatable spare. See, it's all body color in here. These are good looking cars, man. Car's nice underneath. I got some pictures of the bottom for you. We'll get those posted. Seats are nice. They're definitely all redone. Dash is really nice. Steering wheel looks good. Go ahead, Jordy. Again, just good running 390. Car really hits the road good. This car's got a good look, man. It's a good looking body style. Tach works. Check the parking brake, Jordy. Does it work? You know? Oh, actually, I know it does. It does work. Yep. I checked it when it come off the truck. I know the backup lights work. Yep.
What is happening?
Factory AM radio works. Blower motor. You hear it? Yep. Blower motor works, guys. Yeah, doors open and close real nice. Wipers do work. Oh, they're working a little better. Probably just first time we turned them on. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. That way we can get a notification every time I post one of these videos. You can do that by clicking the little button at the bottom of the screen. Yeah, I like that car, man. Good looking car. Have a great day, guys.